Welcome back to Optimum Detailing. This is going to be another quick unboxing video. You guys said you liked the unboxing video, so I figured I'd do another one. This is from a company called Detailed Image. It's www.detailedimage.com. I signed up for emails from them a couple years ago. I've never bought anything from them. They always have really good sales, 25% off, 15% off, and stuff like that. Well, they had 25% off wheel products, and so I decided to make an order because I wanted to get a new product to do a review video on. Plus, it was a really good deal, I think, as long as the products end up being what I hope, as good as I hope that they are, knowing the company that makes them. And there's a couple other things in here, and this is the main reason I wanted to make this video is for 99 cents, they'll send you a sample of some sort of cleaning product. I think I picked degreaser, I don't remember though. And then for $2.99, they send you another type of sample that you don't know. It's a mystery sample, but it can have microfiber towels in it as well. I don't know if there's anything in it or not. We're just gonna find out. And I know to order some tap spouts. I'll show you in a minute. Some spouts. Let's get it opened up. I'm excited. I didn't even open it yesterday when I got it because I didn't know if I wanted to make a video or not. And then I decided to make a video for you guys. Packaged very well. Got packaging in there. Okay, so let's start. Hold on, I forgot about this. So I got Car Pro Pearl. I'm going to use this as your tire dressing. I believe water-based silicone oxide coat, plastic, engine, rubber, and leather. It says it lasts up to 3 months, and I've seen some pretty good videos on it, so I wanted to buy that. Thought that'd be interesting. Well, they package really well. So here, okay, they put a couple different things in here. Here's my gallon spouts. Because Griot's Garage stopped selling the gallons spouts that are on my gallons over here. So I ordered 3 of those from them because I was so glad to find them. And then this is an applicator for the Car Pro Pearl that they suggested I buy. It was like $1, so I got it anyways. I probably didn't even need it. Okay, so here is the first sample. Oh yeah, I ordered my sample, or my mystery, not my mystery, I'm so sorry. My sample, I ordered microfiber cleaners as my, what am I trying to look for here? My sample product, my goodness. And it is detailedimage.com. It says 3D towel clean, so it's made by 3D. So microfiber towel clean, 15% off 3D products coupon. And it gives you a coupon code, so if I like this, then I can order this to clean my microfiber towels. So here's the product that I got that I couldn't believe how cheap it was. I didn't know they made a wheel cleaner anyways. But it is made by P&S, and it's called Brake Buster Total Wheel Cleaner. I will be doing a full review video on it, but let me tell you why I bought it. This was $6. The gallon of it was $15.99 for a full gallon. So I hope I didn't jump the gun and this stuff ain't no good. Hopefully it's really good. At least that's my hope, because I bought a gallon of it. If not, I guess I'll be using it on bicycle wheels or something. I don't know. Okay, so here is my $2.99 sample. $2.99, remember that, $3. Holy cow, there's a couple different things in here. See, McGuire's Wheel Bright. Hang on a second, I think my daughter just got home. Hang on, let me look. Okay, so where we left off. McGuire's Wheel Bright, which is pretty cool. I've never used that before. And it gives me a 15% off coupon for that as well. So that is really neat. 303 Protectant, interior and exterior. Ultimate UV protection. I don't own any 303 products, so that's really cool too. I've heard good things about 303 products. And this one is Optimum Mineral Deposit Remover, MDR. I've never used that, never even heard of that. See, they sent some stickers. Detailed Image sticker. Clean, shine, and protect. I think these are what you put in people's doors and put a date on it when it was done. I'm not sure. And then a Detailed Image sticker, so that'll go on there.
If you have room.
There is a microfiber inside there. It's a small microfiber. Well, it feels like a glass, like for glass. It's got a long nap one side, short nap on the other side. Seems like a pretty good microfiber. I don't know if it tells me, really quick, this video is almost over. I don't know if it tells me what the microfiber is. It does not tell me what the microfiber is. But I got all this stuff and I spent $65 for all that. And I got a gallon of wheel cleaners. I really hope that works. But hey, there's the video. I told you guys I'd start doing unboxing videos because you guys wanted to see them. DetailedImage.com is where I got this stuff from. I am happy with it so far. And I'll probably be doing business with them in the future because they have some ceramic coating kits I want to try out. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button while you're down there. Join the Optimum Detailing family. We are growing like crazy. And we'll see you guys in the next video.